Hey there, makers and shakers! Are you ready to experience an ultimate celebration of innovation, creativity, and fun?
We certainly are. Makerspace Delft is proud to announce that we're going to be hosting the Sandbox section at Maker Faire Delft this year. And trust us, you will not want to miss it.
Hi, I'm Els. I'm doing a pottery workshop at the Sandbox. You can do some hand throwing, or you can make your own hand-built piece.
Hi there, I'm Neji, and I'll be showing you how to model on grasshopper and 3D print with bio-based materials. It's easier than you think, and the possibilities are endless.
Hey there, I'm Simon. This is Tilly and his partner Billy, and at Maker Faire Delft we're going to draw your face on a little tile. That's Klaus style. So come to our stand and check it out.
Hola, my name is Antonio and I will be running a workshop on doing a lamp from scrap materials. This is the lamp we will be building and I will give you the materials and teach you how to do it. You will be amazed on what scrap materials can do.
Hi, I'm Sai from Biosphere Solar, and at the Maker Faire I will be showing you how to make your own solar panel and how to contribute to the most sustainable solar panel in the world.
Plus, you can design and make your own t-shirt using a vinyl cutter and a hot press. It's a perfect way to express your personality and creativity.
And don't forget the cutting-edge technology. You can try 3D scanning and modeling with OpenSCAD and see the future of digital fabrication up close.
And last but not least, there's a special community project, Building a Train. It's a great way to connect with other makers and contribute to something amazing.
So what are you waiting for? Join us at the Sandbox and unleash your inner maker. We're going to be there for both the days, so there will be plenty of time to explore and experiment. Get your tickets and I'll see you there.